Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how can you check your daily spendings in Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application, and after opening the Wise application, just simply unlock it at first. And after unlocking the application, you will get to see this page. Now, in order to check your spendings into Wise, you just simply have to tap into this button right here, and after tapping into there, you will get to see a bunch of options or dates into here. Now you just simply have to select any of the month which you would like to choose, and after that you can see all of your spendings into Wise. This way you can check your monthly expenses and spending into your Wise application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.